Visit irockin.com for more Nigerian music anytime, anywhere.
What?
I knew you would cheat on me again.
Come on, baby, don't start this again.
A chick saying that you left her pleased last night, and when is she gonna taste some of your flavor?
Respect! Bob Marley. My woman is gone. My woman is gone. She's gone. She not the love of my life, the only one I adore. She knows how to do some things that no one can do. I know that I wronged you. I don't mean to make you cry. I'm a little wagara, my messy payoso. Oh my party, if you see me crying, my woman is gone. Honor, 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 beya. Bikonu, Gabanuya, na she be my wife. Honor, beya. Bikonu, Gabanuya, na she be my wife. Who's gonna cook my food? Who's gonna scratch my back? Who's gonna cover me if I dey catch it cold? Never underestimate the strength of a woman. It is strong like an iron. She just can't take it anymore. She says, Soja go, come. She never ever wanna see my face. She said, no, no, no. Looking at me eyes, you will see what I wanna. Girl, no the lie, yes, I've been a radical. Oh, my body, you see me crying. My woman is gone. Honor, honor, honor. Bikonu, Gabanuya, na she be my wife. Bikonu, Gabanuya, na she be my wife. Bikonu, Gabanuya, na she be my wife. Bikonu, Gabanuya, na she be my wife.
Are you be my wifey, girl, you know? Need no suit, say it to let me know. It's written all over you, say you're my wife. Give me the chance to pay the price. See me down, me love you truly, girl, me love you truly. Since the day you left me, it's never been easy. As I am sorry, very, very sorry. Forgive and forget, girl. Now you be my wifey, girl, you know. Need to say it to let you know. It's written over you, say you're my wife.